Kind of showed you how some of the stuff I set up. Been piddling with this for probably a year and a half or so now, as far as messing with the lithium batteries and learning how to do a backup for my home, which is really nice. If a power goes out, we really actually don't even notice it. Which we don't have a lot of power outages where I live, but that don't mean it can't start. And if we have a major event of some kind that takes out the power grid, because some idiot decides to be a terrorist or something or other that fact, then we will have power and be able to kind of continue on with most things. 220 was not actually operable at this point, but I can do just a little bit of upgrading and probably be able to run some 220 items. I just had to get another inverter like I got and string them together and get about 4 more panels. And I probably could do that. And over time I may do that, but right now I'm just learning the ins and outs of doing this and trying to get it right. Thought I cracked something for a second. Figure out what works and what don't. Spend a lot of time watching YouTube. I also have a web design business. I spend a lot of time building websites and doing SEO. And I work as an EMT in a local casino. But, you can never stop learning if that's what you choose to do. And if you choose not to, then that's up to you. It's one thing I've always felt like doing is, always try to get some kind of knowledge that's going to be beneficial. Just, especially if it's self-sustaining. Never thought of myself of being as a prepper, but the way things are going in our political environment, it's kind of silly not to at this point. You're leaving yourself wide open for some bad things. So, I have food stored, stuff that'll last for a long time, making sure I have backup power. So, anyways, this video's been 20 some minutes. We're gonna call it good. You guys see what I'm doing.